Have you ever dreamed of making money while you sleep? No boss, no office, just a laptop and a Wi-Fi connection? Well, that was me, just a regular person, until I discovered the power of dropshipping. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I started my dropshipping business from scratch, step by step. No fluff, no get-rich-quick talk, just real experience. If you're looking to build passive income in 2025, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Step 1. Understanding dropshipping. So what exactly is dropshipping? It's a business model where you sell products online without ever holding inventory. When someone buys from your store, the order goes directly to your supplier, who ships it to your customer. You're the middleman, but a smart one. Why does this work for passive income? Because once you set it up properly, the store runs with very little daily effort. It's not 100% hands-off at first, but trust me, it gets there. Step 2. Picking the right niche. I knew that picking the wrong niche could kill my business before it even started. So I asked myself, what products are trending? What problems can I solve? I used tools like Google Trends and TikTok to see what people are actually buying. Eventually, I chose a niche that combined passion with demand. Think pet accessories, fitness gear, or home improvement tools. Stuff people actually search for. This is where the foundation of your dropshipping business begins. Step 3. Finding a reliable supplier. Next, I signed up for platforms like AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, and Zendrop. I looked for suppliers who had good reviews, fast shipping, and product videos. I messaged them directly to test response times. This step was crucial because bad suppliers are bad reviews, no sales. Once I found the right one, I ordered a sample product to check the quality myself. Never skip this part. Step 4. Building my online store. Now came the fun part, building my Shopify store. I chose a clean theme, added high-quality product photos, and wrote descriptions that focused on benefits, not just features. Instead of saying Bluetooth speaker with 10 hours of battery life, I said, enjoy your favorite tunes all day, no charging required. I also installed apps for reviews, upsells, and abandoned cart recovery. My goal was simple: turn every visitor into a buyer. Step 5. Launching with a budget. I didn't start with thousands of dollars. In fact, I launched with just $200, mostly spent on Facebook and TikTok ads. I created short, engaging video ads that showed the product in action. And I didn't try to sell right away. First, I built curiosity, then I offered a solution. Within the first week, I made a few sales, and that was all the proof I needed. Step 6. Learning from data. Every click, every abandoned cart, every sale, it told me something. I used analytics to see what was working and what wasn't. One ad was killing it, I scaled it. One product wasn't selling, I cut it. This part turned my little store into a real business. Start dropshipping smart, not just hard. Step 7. Automating for passive income. As my sales grew, I started automating. I hired a virtual assistant to handle customer service. I used tools like AutoDS and Oberlo to fulfill orders automatically. Email sequences handled follow-ups, reviews, and even upsells. Now, I was finally seeing the beauty of passive income, earning while I slept. Step 8. Scaling and reinventing. Scaling didn't just mean spending more on ads. I tested new products in the same niche. I introduced bundles, offered limited time deals, and built a brand story. People began to trust my store. From there, word of mouth kicked in. I was no longer just dropshipping. I was building a brand. Step 9. Final tips for you. If you're serious about building passive income in 2025, here's my advice. Start small, learn fast, and never quit after your first failed ad. Every successful dropshipper was once a beginner, just like you. And if I can do it, so can you. If you found value in this video, give it a thumbs up on our YouTube channel, Finance Fusion, and hit that subscribe button. I've got more step-by-step guides coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.